Latest social media updates. Reddit rolls out expanded topic and audience matching options in Ads Manager. 70% of consumers are worried about privacy and security in the metaverse. X, Twitter, partners with Google Display Network. LinkedIn expands the display of its profile CTA buttons to more surfaces. Snap's shutting down its enterprise AR development project. Meta introduces celebrity AI personalities like Snoop Dogg. Microsoft will hide the new Windows backup app on some PCs. Google Messages streamlines conversation picker UI for sharing content. LinkedIn adds new text accessibility options for LinkedIn publisher posts. Google to make laptops in India in win for Modi's tech push. Google plans to open more on-site health clinics amid RTO push. TikTok set to trial ad-free subscription for $4.99. YouTube rolls out new audience insight tools. Disney Plus to launch shared account password crackdown in Canada. Meta launches verification for businesses in New Zealand. For more digital trends, visit karanvalidi.com.